Ready for a spooky treat? Today in Kirikanjo, we are going to learn how to draw a spooky ice cream cone. So let's start drawing. First, draw a large letter V for the cone. Draw a wavy line on top for the melting ice cream. Just make the part on the left longer and make the part on the right to have 3 melting drops of ice cream to mimic the bottom part of the skull. Draw a curved line coming up from each side to make the scoop. Draw another wavy line on top for the bottom part of the second ice cream scoop and make 3 melting drops on the right side. Draw a half circle on top to finish the second scoop. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. In the bottom scoop, draw 2 oval shapes for the eyes. Make them facing the right side. And color them. Draw an upside down heart shape in the middle for the nose. Repeat the same steps on the upper scoop to make another spooky skull ice cream. Decorate the ice cream cone with some diagonal lines in both directions.
Yummy!
Now you can draw a spooky ice cream. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.